Its congressional map. The legal fight over it is now ramping up. We thank you for joining us this afternoon. I'm Carolina Cruz.
I'm Bill Hurlbrink. Secretary of State Denny Hoskins is claiming signatures that were gathered for a petition to repeal the redrawn map are invalid. Secretary of State just approved the referendum, but he argues signatures that collected before he gave the green light must be thrown out. Now the group collecting those signatures, people, not politicians, well, they're speaking out. KCTV5's Gabby Luma joins us live in studio to break all of this down for us.
Yeah, that's exactly right, Bill. People Not Politicians is a nonpartisan organization that's been gathering these signatures. The group held a meeting this morning describing the situation and where Missouri's Constitution states the referendum and signatures are lawful. So here's what we know. Secretary Hoskins claims the state's Constitution doesn't mention the right to referendum, but the attorney for People Not Politicians says otherwise. He highlights Article 3, Section 49 and 52A, that's a state referendum can happen for an act of General Assembly, which is in House Bill 1's title. The attorney also stating there's judicial precedent which affirms residents' constitutional right to challenge the government. Meanwhile, the governor who led the charge to redraw these maps is standing firm.
The previous map that we passed in 2022 had a lot of problems. It wasn't compact. It didn't represent the districts properly. This map that we put forward, the Missouri First map, really does represent Missouri's values.
This is blatant attempts to intimidate and to deny people, not politicians, and the folks Richard's working with, their right to petition their government.
And as for next steps, People Not Politicians say they expect the Attorney General to ask for a preliminary injunction, which would put them in court by November 15th. Live in studio, Gabby Luma, KCTV5 News.
Thanks, Gabby. A new